Hey guys, Patrick Johnston here, Go Dominican Life. Listen, I'm all about sharing restaurants and experiences that you will never find. So I'm going to ask you for a secret. Don't tell all your friends about this place. I'm at Coco, the restaurant and bar here tucked away in Puerto Plata over here. Location will be below. But if you want a world-class food, a world-class menu, look, the food is outstanding. The service quality is outstanding. The company is even better.
I love you!
However, for you right now is that you need to know that there's life beyond the resorts of all-inclusive. The whole other side of the Dominican Republic is waiting for you to explore. And without exploring it, you're leaving yourself only with 5% of the entire experience here. Believe me, when I endorse something, it is true. This place is stunning. The gentleman is from Switzerland or Austria? Switzerland?
Austria.
Austria. He's from Austria. The chef, owner, operator is from Austria. His wife is Dominican.
Sminky.
Both are beautiful people. They've been operating this restaurant for years, and it is outstanding. Coco in Puerto Plata. Do yourself a favor, check it out. Please. Tell them I sent you, but don't tell anybody else. You got it, right? Once again, here at Coco, here in Puerto Plata, tucked away so you cannot find it, but only tell your friends about this.
Hi everybody.
This is an awesome restaurant. This is the man, the chef and owner of the restaurant.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
Beautiful food tonight.
Nice to having you.
Always. When you're in Puerto Plata, you have to visit this place. We've done a little video earlier so you can see it, but I'm telling you, this is a secret. We don't want to keep it a big secret, but it
should be like this.
It's a special occasion place.
Exactly.
Once a week.
Small and cozy.
Once a week. So see you soon.